Okay, today we're going to take a look at how to add new documents to your CarePaths site. You can do this either from the link on your home page here, where it says Add Documents, or you can go up here to the Clinical menu, click Documents, now you'll see you have two options up here, Staff Documents, which are filled out by staff, and Patient Documents, which are filled out by the patient from the patient portal. You can switch between those two sections. Now, if you have a document that is going to need to be signed by both a staff member and a patient, you're going to want to make sure you're adding it to both of these lists. So we're in the staff section right now. Let's go ahead and add a document here by clicking this button. That's going to bring up this list here. You can see we got quite a few in here. You can fast forward to the one you want by typing in the first few letters of the name. Typing ADU here. One thing to note, you can see that we do have some documents that use capital letters, and those are going to be before the ones without capital letters. So to get to the other adult forms, we're going to hit ADU again, now that we're below that, and that'll bring up all of these options. We go ahead and select the one we want, hit Add Document, and there we go. We're all set. Let's add it to the Staff Documents section. If that was a document we need the patient to sign from the patient portal as well, then we just hit the Patient Documents, Add Document, and repeat that same process. Once you've added the document, you can view it by going to any patient chart. All sites have a Joe Test patient added automatically when they're created, so that can be a good place if you're just looking to see what the documents look like. I'm going to click on this Services button, Create New Document, and you're going to have a full list of all the documents that were added to that section we just looked at. You can also search through this list by typing in the first few letters of the document name, select, and hit Create New Draft Document. And there you can see all the options that are featured in this document.